Hello students, in this video we will see grouping of batteries. That means two batteries with their internal resistances, if they are connected in series, then what will be their equivalent EMF and equivalent of these internal resistances, so that we can replace this combination by that equivalent, that is suppose E naught and R's by R naught, small r's by R naught. This capital R is connected across terminal where this connection of batteries is present. So this is externally connected to this connection. Now we come to parallel connection of batteries. Two batteries are connected parallel across terminal AB and their internal resistance is again R1 and R2. An external resistance R is connected across terminal AB. Here also we have to find E naught, equivalent EMF effect of these two batteries and equivalent internal resistance of the two internal resistances. So we will find it one by one. First, consider this series connection. Since it is a series connection, there is a single loop, so we can assume one current here and this battery is there, so we can assume a current I in this direction. So a single current would be flowing throughout the loop. Suppose it is I. Now start from any point, start from this point, move in the direction of current and come back to B. While applying KVL, we will start from any of the point. So apply KVL in loop to find the value of these. We will just apply KVL in the loop. Start from this point. This current I1 is moving in this direction. If we are moving in the direction of current, that means there is a drop. Take negative sign. Minus I R2, here minus 2 plus. We are moving towards positive terminal of battery. So plus E2 will come. Then again moving in the direction of current, that is I multiplied by R1. Then again there is a we are moving towards positive terminal of battery, that is E1. Now we come to this external resistance. Here again we are moving in the direction of current. So here also there will come minus, we are moving in this direction of current, so minus I multiplied by R is equals to 0. So this would be our equation we got by applying KVL. So take all the terms of with I on the right hand side and E1 plus E2 leave them on left hand side. Here will come I R1 plus R2 plus R. So our I is nothing but E1 plus E2 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R. So here by this equation we can find that our equivalent EMF is this much and our equivalent resistance is this much. So we can write it here like our E naught is nothing but sum of the EMFs of the batteries, that is E1 plus E2 with their sign. We will sum them with their sign, and R0 is nothing but sum of these two internal resistances. So this is the way to find the equivalent in series connection. Now we come to the parallel connection of the batteries. First assume the direction of current. Suppose because of these two batteries, two currents are emerging. One of them is I1 and another is I2. Okay. In the outer loop, a current is flowing, suppose it is I. So we can say here that our I is nothing but summation of I1 plus I2. So you can replace this I2. This gives us I2 is nothing but I minus I1. So you can replace this I2 by I minus I1. Because we reduce one variable, हमने इसको eliminate कर दिया. Now only two variables are there, I and I1. To solve it for I, we will apply once KVL in this loop, then we will apply this KVL in the second loop. So apply KVL in loop having E1, R1 and R as components. So start from this point. The first voltage, there is a negative terminal, that is minus E1. Here current is flowing in this direction, that means we are going to a voltage rise direction, plus I1 R1. Remember, if we are moving opposite to current, then every time there will come plus sign. Again, current is moving in this direction and we are moving across our loop in this direction. So plus will come, I multiplied by R is equals to 0. This is the first equation we got by applying KVL in loop. Now apply this KVL here in the second loop. Okay, start from A, move in this direction, then through this R come back to node A. Okay, so here we will consider E2, R2 and R. Second time we will consider these three elements. Now start from E2, again minus sign will come. Then we are moving opposite to current, so plus. Current is, here current is I minus I1 multiplied by R2. Again we are moving opposite to current. Our current is flowing in this direction. Okay, so plus will come, IR is equals to 0. This is our first equation. This is second equation we got by applying KVL in two different loops. Now we have to solve it. So first thing is to eliminate this I1 term from both the equations. How we can eliminate? Multiply this equation by R2 and this equation by R1 and add them will give us the elimination of this I1. So multiply and adding 1 and 2. Okay, we will get an equation that is minus E1 R2, this term, multiply this with R2 plus I1 R1 R2, multiply this R2 here plus I R R2, these three terms. Next plus multiply, so there will come minus E2 R1, then R1 plus I R1 R2, then this minus I1 R1 R2, the last term plus I R R1 is equals to 0. Okay, so we got this equation by the summation. So we can cancel these two terms containing I1. Now we are left with only I and all the parameters, known parameters. So we are left with only I in the equations. So we can get the I here. So here I1 is eliminated. and now we can find the value of I. So here I is R1, R2. Take all the terms containing I plus R, R2 plus R, R1 is equals to, take the terms containing E1 and E2 on right hand side, E1 R2 plus E2 R1. So I would be equal to the this much. Take this on denominator, that is R1 R2 R1 R2 plus R R1 plus R2. Take this term in the denominator. Here we got the value of I. Okay, divide this these both numerator and denominator by R1 plus R2. Divide by R1 plus R2. Here again there will come R1 plus R2 plus R. So now we got the equation in this form. So this is our, on the numerator, our E naught is present, that is equivalent EMF of parallel connection and equivalent resistance, internal resistance of batteries, that is R naught plus R. So their values are E naught, that is E1 R2 plus E2 R1 divided by R1 plus R2. Okay, this is equivalent of two EMFs connected in parallel and their internal resistances R1, R2, R1 plus R2. This is the equivalent of the internal resistance. And if R1 is given equal to R2, that is equal to R, and E1 is given equal to E2, that is E, then the value of E naught will be equal to E and value of R naught would be equal to R by 2. So this is the way to find the equivalent of parallel and series combination of batteries, so that we can replace this combination by one value here. And so अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो इसे प्लीज लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करिए. थैंक यू.